Hello, Nippy fans. Irashaimase. Welcome. Welcome back to Nippy Cat. We're so glad that you can join us today. Somebody has a new toy that he absolutely loves. Yes, and a favorite new little kitty ball over here. Yes. Yes, thank you all very much for being here and watching today's video that is going to be about Stitches, the therapy cat. Yes, another therapy kitty. Yes, this is just from about a year ago. So Stitches is a beautiful long-furred gray tabby. Yeah. Oh, she looks just beautiful. And she is a therapy cat for the Minneapolis and St. Paul airport. Yeah, you go this way. There we go. Yes, it's like so many kitties. She was from something challenging that happened to her. Well, she was literally found at 1 week old with her litter after a huge tornado. Yes, literally found. She survived a tornado. They never found the mother cat, but they did find her and the other litter members, and some very kind people took the kitties in and bottle fed them. Yes, the one that has Stitches is a private and a kind retired private music teacher. Yes, and she at 8 years old, she began bringing the kitty around to visit nursing homes when students had recitals. So she was already used to people too, because of all of the students that she has on a regular basis who love the kitty and who enjoy the kitty when they come for music lessons. Yeah. Yes, and her cat mother and her were certified as therapy cats. Well, the kitty's a therapy cat. They're therapy pets through Pet Partners and continue visiting the nursing homes every week. Yes, now Stitches visits schools and churches, workplaces, and even the Minnesota State Fair. In the fall of 2019, the Minneapolis and St. Paul Airport Foundation contacted her to see if she would be interested in having her and her kitty could be there as the therapy pets. Yes, and she's only the second kitty in America to be certified and to work at an airport as a therapy cat. She's a friendly little darling who gets tons of attention and who meets people, greets people, and helps people with anxiety, and I think gives some good kitty directions. People take pictures with her. It's absolutely precious. I love it. It is very, very heartwarming to see people do this for their kitties, and I really appreciate them. So I really appreciate this program, and I appreciate you, little Nippy, for being a cute little kitty in all these videos. And thank you to all of you who've been new subscribers, and to all of you also who've been here this whole time, and who has been with me through this in this channel through the very beginning when I hardly knew what I was doing. Yes, thank you all so very much for watching this video today. If you like the contents of our videos, don't forget to take those paws and paws on that like button. You can paw the subscription button. And you can paw the notification bell so that you can see all of Neffy Cat's videos. Well, thank you all so very much. Yes, with all of these sweet little wings. Such cute little wings. And we look forward to seeing